We're having food.
You're no zombie.
Oh, yeah. I'm aware of that.
Did Donnie send you? Wait, it isn't enough for me to go and stupid-ass is to send someone to try and scare me, too? Who does he think I am? I'm good enough for his gang. Why should I go and take pictures of zombies instead?
Hold it. What do you mean, zombies?
Zombies. You know, undead flesh-eating creatures of the night. From the graveyards houses built on. That's where it's haunted.
Dustin actually has a JJ.
You're not from around here, are you?
No.
Congrats.
Dangerous here. You should go home.
What? Are you kidding? There's no way I'm backing out now. You can either help me or stay out of my way.
Fine. But I'm using the front door.
Front door for the win. That's right, bitch. Follow.
Hey, wait up.
Well, I guess something we're having leftovers for dinner, but I don't know what leftovers we had.
That's not good.
Okay.
It could be tuna smell surprise.
Not for us.
Meatloaf and tater
Pizza
tots.
rolls. Chicken.
Woohoo! Where are you? Let's do this.
If the cult of ultrascience is based here, then the time traveler should be here too. I don't see how the zombies fit in though.
Ow! Die. Control preferences. Go down to accept. Okay. Okay. No. Yes. The shafted tree's gonna fall on you.
Go back! Don't come in here! We've done something terrible! Wait!
Oh, whoops. I think I took your flamethrower.
I don't know what to do.
Where the hell did you go?
He went up. He got another flamethrower.
What did you do? Oh, shit! Let's go this way. Oh, you took my bat, bitch. You took my bat! Oh, where are they? Oh, you took my Garrett revolver. I love how they just randomly spawn out now. Haha! I'll hit him with this cue ball. Oh, I ripped something. Look out! There's one behind you. Okay, man. Woo! Well, you got the handgun, so you're gonna have to kill him. Be uploading a crap load of stuff.
I'm gonna make a run for it.
Run for it!
They're gonna eat me! Fire's the only way to kill them. My colleague had a flamethrower. He's over there somewhere. Please, help me!
Yeah.
If you're quick, you can get it. Before they get you. I'm staying right here until they're all dead.
If you help them, you might be able to tell us what's going on.
Hurry! I'm slipping!
You'll have to kill the worm.
Oh my gosh, will this worm come out?
Torch them.
Okay. Why did you kill him? Did it work? Holy shit, I think we can continue. Hey! Okay. Just this out here.
Hello?
What? Why?